Welcome back, my home cooks, to Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. Now we got something good on the menu today, guys. We got making some ribs in the oven. Yeah, some off the bone ribs in the oven. Let's get into the ingredients. Okay, so let's get into the dry rub. So first and foremost, you always want to add some apple cider. Rub that around your your ribs, and you want to season it with seasoning salt. This is gonna be a basic one, a Texas style, black pepper, and we're gonna throw a little lemon pepper. But make sure you have liquid smoke, which we're about to season first. This is how you get that smoky flavor. You know what I'm saying? I had Wright's liquid smoke. This is hickory right now, so you're doing it evenly on all sides and stuff like that. So you want to rub it in and stuff and make sure it's thoroughly in there. So next, we're gonna get the lemon pepper. Evenly coat the lemon pepper, on both sides. You see what I'm doing it, so I make sure that I get the season coated on all sides. So we're gonna flip it on the other side. Boy, that rib look beautiful, don't it? So we're gonna season it evenly, that's what we want to do. This is going to be the, rub. So evenly, salt to taste. So now we're going to head over to the seasoning salt. These are all the seasonings that we need. You don't need nothing more than that. Some people do brown sugar, but that's a different type of rib. So this is going to be some Texas style. So after we put the seasoning salt on evenly, we're going to go on to the next step. So we make sure we get it on the back. Season it well, because we are going to be putting it in the oven. So, we're going to make sure we do it just like we would do if we were putting it on a grill. This is something for the oven. So, we see we got it cut, coated well. And make sure you lift that little flap. A lot of people forget about that. A little fold over piece of meat. So, make sure you season under there too. So now that we got it seasoned well, we gotta get ready to, set the oven. So let's go head over to the oven. So don't forget to put your oven on 450 degrees, and once you do that, we're gonna be putting it in the oven. Once it goes into the oven, so you wanna flip it every 30 minutes. So the second flip, you wanna bring the temperature down to 350 degrees and let it stay in there for another hour. So you see what it look like? Look like it's on point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out and flip it, check on the other side. This is after the 30 minutes. So I wanted to show you that. And we're gonna stick it back in the oven, and after that, because it's a smell-o-vision, it's done. So we're gonna get ready to take it out and see, voila, it's done. See this right there, fall out the bone, see the meat is riding away from, the ribs, so it's done. It's tender, it's not overly cooked, and it still got a little bite on it, just like it's on the grill, but in the oven. So see how simple that is? So we're gonna get over to cutting it, to show you how, tender it is, but tender just right. So I cut a little piece right there, and you see that, I already got a couple little pieces cut. I had to cut that one a little bit more. I actually cut it on top of the bone, but you see, I had to, get it in there. So it's really nice, and pretty. But with the ribs, it takes no time to do it. So I hope you guys definitely enjoy this recipe. It's really simple for those, especially that live in apartments and stuff like that don't have a grill or can't grill. Also too, for those that don't want to be bothered with a grill, this is the best way to do it at home and still have that same taste and look from a grill. So thank you for joining Chopping and Grilling with your boy Case.